Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Alright, so next in the unboxing videos we have the Kicker KB6s. Now, I have never installed these before. I have heard them at the local Ace Hardware. They have them installed all over the store. I think that they're fairly nice. They look nice, and they sound decent from the experience that I've had with them, which has been limited. But I thought that they would be, this would be a good opportunity to try them out and see how they work. So inside the box, there are these two mounts. There are these 4 nuts. And there is a bag of screws, wood screws, owner's manual, interesting. So the foam is taped together, so it comes out as one unit versus you pulling the top off and having the speakers exposed in the box. So when we, and there's rubber feet there as well. So here are the speakers themselves, and these are a 6.5-inch two-way speaker, meaning that they have a woofer and a tweeter inside. They are available in white and black. These are the white, and they're not white, they're more like an off-white. So like if you look at them compared to this box, they're like a beige color kind of. I don't have a problem with that. I think that that's actually probably better because most houses are not ultra white like that box would be. So this is probably going to blend better with your average house. So looking at the back of the speaker, they're using push terminals, very basic connectivity. All there really is 2 speaker wires. There's some screw mounts here, so if you had specialized speaker mounts that use the threaded inserts, that would work. They look to be 1/4 inch. I think they're probably like 1/4 or something along those lines. And then they also give you these mounts, which are, the kind of the standard outdoor mount that, everybody has something similar, like the Klipsch speakers, the Yamaha speakers. I've installed those before, the episode speakers, they all kind of have something similar to this. They have these little indexing nubs, and they, tighten up. So normally you mount this to the house, you bolt it to the house, under your eave or on the side of the house, or however you're going to mount that. And then on the speaker itself, once this is bolted up, you put the speaker inside this mount, and you secure these hand tightened nuts to it, like that. And that's how it ends up. So it's nice and secure. You can loosen this up and tweak them by they're indexed in these slots, so you can kind of like loosen this up and go click, 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 1 or 2 things over. The reason that I say you need to mount these plates first and then mount the speakers into them is because you can't access any of the screw holes once these plates are mounted. But like I said, that's not unique to the Kickers. That's every single pair of outdoor speakers I've ever installed from 5 or 6 different manufacturers has been the same way. The hardware is stainless steel, which is nice. The grill is painted. It's not it is removable, but you'd have to remove the speakers. It's not something that just comes off. But it appears to be, pretty well put together. It's a plastic casing. It looks to be sealed. If we actually look inside the speaker itself, so we can see there's a 6.5-inch woofer. It's got a black cone. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can see it there in the video. And then the tweeter up top is actually a horn. So it's a horn design, kind of like a Klipsch speaker. It doesn't look to be as deep of a horn, and there is there's some foam over the top of the tweeter, which is probably designed to make it so that it doesn't sound so... horns can be very bright and shrill. So it's probably designed to knock that down a little bit. So all in all, I think they're pretty nice from a build quality perspective. They're not incredibly expensive. I spent, let's see what they were. So I bought 2 pair of them and it was $232. So it's really not too bad. Is that about 50 bucks a speaker? 55 bucks a speaker, something like that. So like 130 a pair, 120 a pair. So I think I had a coupon, saved a little bit off them. The normal retail price is $129.95 for a pair in either black or white. And do they call these white? I think they call them gray. Yeah, they call them gray. So this color is called gray. And then there's, you know, obviously a black one as well. So, you know, initial impressions, I think the build quality is good. I've heard them before. I've seen them before. You know, I kind of knew what to expect. Obviously, I purchased them having known what they looked like and sound like. So I'm interested to see what they can do with some power behind them and actually cranked up. You know, Kicker isn't the best in terms of audio quality, but they do tend to output a fair amount of sound for their price point. So I think that that's kind of what I was going for here at this particular house. You know, the owner isn't an audiophile. It's just a, you know, he's looking for something that can play some sound in his backyard so people can hear it. So I think that this is going to foot the bill nicely, and they're inexpensive enough that if, you know, 1 or 2 fail in a couple of years from weather, from whatever, nobody's going to be sad about it because they're just fairly inexpensive. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You know, I'll talk a little bit more about these in the future after the install is over, you know, what they actually sounded like and what my thoughts were on them, and, you know, kind of go from there.